Hello students, welcome to today's English class. So in the previous class we have completed or we have finished one chapter from which book? English reader book. So today we are going to start the first chapter from your grammatics, that is English grammar book. So for this, every one of you please take out your English grammar book. Okay, so take out page number 5. So page number 5, it is given the first chapter. So what is the name of the first chapter? The alphabet. What is the name of the first chapter? The alphabet. How we pronounce A-L-P-H-A, alpha, then B-E-T, bet, alphabet. Okay, alphabet. So take out your book, let's read. Okay, I am reading, you keep your finger. The alphabet. Every language has its own set of letters which are kept in a certain order. The English alphabet has 26 letters. Okay, now it is given here that in every language there are some set of letters. Like in Hindi, you study about ka, kha, ga, gha. So same as in English, there is a set of letters. Okay. So in English alphabet, how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. Okay. Now it is given in, I have written here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. How many letters? There are 26 letters. So these 26 letters are called the alphabet. Okay. So what are A to Z called? The English alphabet. And in English alphabet, how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. If you will count from A to Z, there are 26 letters. Okay. So we can read the letters, 26 letters. Let's read. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. So these letters are fixed. We cannot move the letters. We cannot write after A, D and after D, H. No. These letters are fixed. We have to write A, then B, C, D, E, F and so on. Okay. So now let's read the next line. What is given? The fixed order of letters is called. These fixed order. These are fixed letters. These orders are fixed. Okay, so it is called alphabetical order or ABC order. If the question asks write alphabetical orders, then what you will write? You will write A, B, C, D till Z. Okay, this is also called ABC order. Now moving on to the next one, we can write these letters in two different ways. So the letters A to Z we can write in two ways. So what are these two ways? First one is capital letters and second one is small letters. Okay. So capital letters are also known as uppercase letters and it is also known as block letters or simply capitals. If the question will ask write the capital letters A to Z, which one you will write, this one or this one? If the question asks capital letters, you will write this capital letter A to Z. Now the next one is small letters. Small letters A to Z. So small letters are also known as lowercase letters. Okay. So there are two different letters in English alphabet. What are these? These are capital letters and small letters. If the question will ask capital letters, then you have to write down capital letters. If the question will ask small letters, then you have to write down this small letter A to Z. Okay. So both capital letter and small letter has how many letters? 26 letters. So the first question I will ask you, how many letters are there in English alphabet? So what will be the answer? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay. Now moving on to the next page, page number 6. The exercise is given, so you have to write down. I am reading for you. Let's read the question. Okay. Fill in the missing letters to complete the A, B, C order given below. So what is the question is asking? You have to write down the missing letters to complete the A, B, C order. A, B, C order means you have to write down the capital letters A to Z. Okay. Or it is given here small letter. Okay. So both small letter or capital letter, we can call it ABC order. So it is given A is written. Now B, C is missing, D is written. So you have to write down, you can see, you have to write here the missing letters in small letter. Now moving on to the next question. The question is, rearrange the names of these animals to keep them in alphabetical order. Okay. The names of the animals are given. Let's read. Ox, ox. Hen, hen. Camel, camel. Tiger, tiger. Goat, goat. Rabbit, rabbit. Elephant, elephant. Fox, fox. Yak, yak. Bear, bear. Okay. So now name of these animals you have to write down in alphabetical order. That means A to Z order. So in 1, which will come first? Bear. So what you will write in number 1? Bear, bear. Now it is B. Now after B what comes? D. C. So what is C here? Camel. So in number 2 you will write camel. Next letter D. Now D is given here? No. We will move to the next letter, that is E. E is given here? Yes. So what we will write in number 3? Elephant. Now after E, what comes after E? F. It is given here F? Yes. So in number 4 we will write down fox. So like this you have to see which letter is given here. Then you have to see the first letter. Then you have to write down in alphabetical order. The words which are given here, you have to write that words. Okay. Now moving on to the next page, page number 7. Okay. Now let's read the question. See the following pictures. Fill in the boxes with the first letter of the names in capital. So what you have to write? You have to write down A to Z in capital letter. Capital letter means you have to write down the capital letter. Okay, this one is capital letter. So what you will write? You will write capital letter A. So you will write down capital letter A over here. So what you will write? A, aeroplane. What you will write? Capital letter B. You have to write here. Okay, B. B for balloon. C, capital letter C for cat. D, D for doll. E, E for elephant, F for fish, G for girl, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lotus, M for monkey, N nose, O orange, P pencil, Q queen, R rabbit, S sheep, T toy, U umbrella, V vulture, W watch, X Xmas tree, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Okay, so like this you write and you learn both the capital and small letters. So once again I am going to ask you, how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet from A to Z. So these letters are fixed. We cannot move them from their place. Okay. So now page number 6 and 7, A, B, C is your homework. You do it in your book and send me your homework. Okay. And read and learn both capital and small letters. Okay. So write down in your notebook both capital and small letters A, B, C. Okay. Now once again I am telling you, cursive letters are different and capital and small letters are different. These are simply letters. Okay. Cursive writing is only written for handwriting. Okay. So this one you will write down with simple A, B, C, D. Okay. So I will show you how you are going to write in the notebook also. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next class.